Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. We're here in Sweden and we have stopped at the Ekelund Factory and I'm so excited to go check this place out. Let's go have a look. Now, just a little warning, they do have rather limited hours, so make sure to check their website before heading there. I'll add a link to their website below in the description. This map will give you an idea of where in Sweden the factory is actually located. Ekelund is a family-run textile company known for their high-quality woven linens, and I've been a fan of their products for years. While we couldn't do the factory tour since we visited on a Sunday, we did get to explore the beautiful showroom, and of course I did add a few new pieces to my own collection. Later in the video, I'll be showing you some of my favorite Ekelund linens that I use at home. In the back of the showroom, there's a bit of a museum, so let's walk around and check it out. Ekelund is actually Sweden's oldest weaving mill, with a history dating back to 1692. This family-run company has been passed down through the generations, staying true to their commitment to high-quality craftsmanship and sustainable production. They have perfected the art of weaving over the centuries, blending traditional techniques with modern designs. Today, they continue to lead in eco-friendly textile production using organic cotton and linen to create pieces that are both beautiful and very durable. When I received my first Ekelund tea towel from my aunt who was visiting from Sweden, I was so scared to use it. It was just too beautiful, and I actually hung it on my wall as a piece of art for years before I had the courage to use it. That's a true story. Now it's the only tea towel I use. They wash up so beautifully, they're so thick, and will last a very, very long time. Walking into the Ekelund showroom felt like stepping into a cozy Scandinavian dream. They have everything from classic Swedish patterns to modern designs, and the quality of the fabrics, like I said, is just incredible. I really wanted to buy some Christmas patterns, and even though we were there in August, they had a great assortment of them at that time. The detail in their weaving is so stunning, and it's amazing to think that this company has been around for over 300 years. I couldn't resist picking up these Christmas table runners, and I also bought matching tea towels as well. They are such a timeless design, and I know I'll get a lot of use out of them. They're so beautiful. Now, one of the best parts about visiting the actual Ekelund showroom was discovering their clearance section. This area had some incredible deals on discontinued designs, seasonal items, and even some slightly imperfect pieces that were still absolutely beautiful. I love that Ekelund offers this section because it makes their high quality linens more affordable. If you're visiting, definitely take a few extra minutes to dig through. You never know what hidden gems you're going to find. Here's a little more of my Christmas and winter collection. Here's one that I bought on this trip. I love this winter scene. Here's a farm scene with a goat, a sheep, and a horse. The horse reminds me of Pippi Longstocking. I also love the very traditional Swedish Dala Häst. The tulip pattern I've had for many, many years. I bring it out in the spring, and the small one here is actually a dishcloth. I'm also really drawn to the floral patterns. These ones I use in the summer. The showroom had a series of city towels. They were so pretty and a great way to remember a place that you love. I bought the Stockholm and the Karlstad towels. Don't worry, it seems like every great shop in Sweden has a place to stop for fika, which means coffee time. I absolutely loved visiting the Ekelund showroom, and even though we missed the factory tour, it was still such a great experience. If you find yourself in this part of Sweden, I definitely recommend stopping by. Now, I know not all of us can travel to Sweden, so I've added links below where you can order your own Ekelund tea towels and table runners. You will not be disappointed. Do you own any Ekelund linens, or is there a design that caught your eye? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for more travel and shopping adventures. Here's a couple of videos you might enjoy. See you next time on Tinagirl Travels.